Kapco is a family-owned business, and it's a second generation. It was owned by my parents.
People do choose Kapco because we are a leader in metal stamping and fabrication. We train and develop our employees.
I was hired as a forklift driver. 2 years later, I'm working in tool and die as an apprentice. A year and a half later, I'm in the quality lab. A year after that, I'm in charge of the stamping group. And a year and a half after that, I'm now a sales and applications engineer, traveling, dealing with customers, on site with customers.
It's not just come here and work, it's come here and grow.
I recommend going into manufacturing all the time. You can advance quickly in manufacturing.
Kapco is a safe, friendly working environment where people can come and feel confident in their work and in the knowledge that your work will be appreciated to the highest level.